We hope you enjoyed your rescue mission with us here at Wavebreaker, the Rescue Coaster. We ask that you please remain seated until the ride has come to a full and complete stop. Once the lock bars have been unlocked, please exit towards your left, taking all belongings with you. Thank you, and enjoy your day here at SeaWorld San Antonio. For those of you who are now boarding, please secure all hats, glasses, wallets, keys, and other loose articles, and step into the coaster as quickly and safely as possible. Welcome back. We hope you enjoyed your rescue mission with us here at Wavebreaker, the Rescue Coaster. We ask that you please remain seated until the ride has come to a full and complete stop. Once the lock bars have been unlocked, please exit towards your left, taking all belongings with you. Thank you, and enjoy your day here at SeaWorld San Antonio. For those of you who are now boarding, please secure all hats, glasses, wallets, keys, and other loose articles, and step into the coaster as quickly and safely as possible.
How are you doing?
Pretty good.
Please stand behind the white line. The gates are now closing. Once seated, pull the lap bar down and ensure it is properly secured on your lap. Please sit upright, keep back and shoulders against the seat back, and hold on to the grab bar in front of you with both hands. Keep hands, arms, and legs down and inside the ride vehicle at all times. Now, get ready. Your rescue mission is about to begin.
Have you done the new Stingray ride yet?
Oh yeah, really
Is it
good.
fun? I haven't done it yet.
Really smooth for a wooden coaster.
Okay.
Yeah, and fast.
Is there a long line? Or?
Nah.
Really?
pretty empty.
Okay, awesome. I suppose a lot of people don't have season passes.
Yep.
So. Perfect. I haven't done that one either.
Oh, okay.
Because I just got my pass in December, but that ride's never been open.
Oh, okay. Yeah, plus you got free
We
Sundays.
ask that you please remove seatbelt until the ride has come to a full and complete stop. Once the lap bars have been unlocked, please exit towards your left, taking all belongings with you. Thank you, and enjoy your day here at SeaWorld San Antonio. For those of you who are now boarding, please secure all hats, glasses, wallets, keys,